it probably reached the end of the playlist. It probably reached the end of the playlist.
The other day in the car, we were mimicking each other, like taking turns.
Uh-huh.
Rice cake.
Oh, like call and response. You do something, he'd do something.
We're a weird family of pterodactyls.
Dad?
Turn it on you.
A bazooka.
Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo. Boo 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 boo.
Loki go.
A bazooka. A bazooka.
He'll do it more if we talk, because he tries to compete with people talking.
Uh-huh.
So he'll like it really loud.
Oh my goodness.
You want a bite?
Yum, yum. Yummy, yum. Want a bite? You're distracted by the
A bazooka. A bazooka. A bazooka. A bazooka. Get messy, aren't ya? Get messy.
He's been a ham since
He knows when that's out that he's on it.
He's been like it since he's could smile.
Yeah, as soon as he could smile, he'd love that. Yes, you're a little ham. Gonna be in the movie someday. Oh my goodness.
You got lots of teeth coming through, huh?
Yeah.
Baby. And his mouth is so red. It looks like it's getting redder by the hour.
Oh, poor guy. He got like 3 teeth coming in. His top ones are coming in.
Looks like they're all coming through at once, too. The one front one, you can kind of feel the tooth now. Like
No, there's 2 front ones. There's 2 front ones.
Yeah, the 2 middle front ones, and then there's one over on the side that's coming in too.
Ah.
Oh yeah, he bit me this morning really hard.
Oh, did you bite Mommy?
Okay.
What were you doing when he bit you?
Well sometimes I put my finger like this so he can feel it behind his teeth, but sometimes he gets it right here and it hurts really bad and he's like you got a bug on your face. Oh, sneaky. You know what I noticed yesterday is he figured out how to get his fingers out from there. I saw him deliver